So for those of you using Aweber, I thought I'm going to shoot a quick demonstration on how to just send out a simple message. I know that to some this may be simple, but to others it's actually pretty complicated. So I thought, while I'm sending out my message, let me just do a demo on it, and you may as well, if you're interested, learn. So let me share my screen and go into Aweber messages. I'm gonna create a new message. And my template that comes up always is this plain one, but that's the way I like it. If you want any other templates, you click on the template buttons and you have tons to choose from. Yeah, the list can go on. You can make your emails look as personalized as you like, but I like to keep mine plain. So going back to the message, I have actually created a message in the Word document. So I'm gonna copy and paste it in. Now, the thing that always comes up is hi, first name fixed. I leave that there because that means that the name of the person it's going to be personalized to them. So let's say the email's coming to Mirelle. It's going to say, hi, Mirelle. Remember when you signed, right, okay? So this is my message. Sometimes, okay, so what I did was, for this message, I have here a link. I've linked this word, okay? This line. What I did was I created a page in my Divi site. So I created this page that I'm going to send my, that link is going to go to this page. And here, when they click on Begin Your Journey with Us, it takes you to the application page, okay? So I'm going to use, oops, sorry, let's go back into my website. I am going to take this link. I'm going to copy the link address, go back to my email. Okay. And this, oops, I wanted to show you how I do this. Cancel. Not going very well, is it? Right. So let's say I'm taking this line. I'd like some advice on how to start. And this line, I want to link to that page from our website. I'm going to go to link. And this is where I paste the URL, paste my URL, and let's just test it. So if I double click on that, oh, I'll test it afterwards. Okay, sorry. So this is my message. Now I add on a follow me, which that's to my Facebook. I will then drag in my signature. Image gallery, my images, and I'll put, these are just all the images I have uploaded, so I'll just use that one for today. In Evernote, I have a ready-made signature, which I will pull up. And obviously now, because it's recording, I cannot find it. It's in a screenshot somewhere, sure. Signature, yeah. Okay. Copy. Take it back to my signature. Just get rid of a little bit. Don't need so much information. Drop closer. Let's make my image a little bit bigger so it's the same size as the text. And at the bottom, I put my logo, which I don't know why that picture comes up, but we will change it to my logo. So my images, I think it's on page 1. Yep. I'll make it a little bit smaller. And the image link is going to be to my website. So it's cwithmirelle.com. So in case anybody clicks on that logo, it'll take them to my homepage. And just move that out of the way. That is basically my message. So I've got my message. I've got my link to the page of my website. I've got the follow me link, which is my Facebook. All my details are in there, and then my logo takes them to my website. Now, just for demonstration's sake, so sometimes you want to put like an image in the middle of the text. So if you use a template that has that layout for you, then pick that template. But otherwise, the way I do it is, and there may be other ways to do it, I don't know. I'm going to pull over an image. Oops, what does that mean? I'm going to pull over, oops, I just did that. Pull over an image. Let's go to the image library. Let's just take that for instance. And then let's say I want this image to be after the first paragraph. I will cut all that. So Command X. I will add another paragraph under the image and I will paste. And that now means I've got an image in between my paragraph. Magic. But for now, let's just take that away. Put it back where it came from. And I'm going to delete that as well. And there it goes. And that is, oh, don't forget the subject line. It won't let you save without putting in the subject line. So I'm thinking of a subject line which will be let me see, this might give you a fresh perspective. So let's see, need a fresh perspective, question mark. Need a fresh perspective, question mark. Well, that's a subject line. Now I'll save and exit. And where it will save is in the draft. So here it is, need a fresh perspective. Now I want to put this into one of my campaigns. So I'm going to go back to messages, campaigns. Let's see if I want it in, I'll put it in campaign 2. So let's go into campaign 2. And I'm going to do it just before the end where I ask them the question, are you in or out? Okay. So let's add in my message, choose a message. That's the one. Select, save and exit. And there you go. My only advice would be is, which I didn't show you here, is to first broadcast the message, see what response it gets before you put it into a campaign. So how you would do that would be, you would go back to your messages, broadcast your message, or you would go back to your drafts. For example, this is the one you want to send. You would go to sending options, schedule a broadcast. It won't let me send it because I haven't put a subject line, but this is a screen that will come up. You have an option to share it on Facebook, Twitter. If you have more than one list, you have an option here to send it to more than one list. And then it asks you when you want it to be sent. So again, you can pick your day and your time. And you click on, if I move that away, you click on send message now. And that's how you would broadcast your message. So I just thought I will put that out while I was doing this work anyway, and it may or may not help you, but if it does, I'm glad I was here to help. Have a great one. See you. Take care.